Good morning everyone. Myself Neil. KML based hybrid transfer diagnosis system in healthcare. Our teammates are Adivas, Basaraj, Abhishek. Our guide Chetan. The concept problem statement and pseudocode and research the existing medical images diagnosis system struggles with the maintaining global coordinates and final personal details. In CNN, users reported information due to the aggressive timestamp without being limited to always features only. And transformer captures the dependency after the precision location, giving the high accuracy of result in global dependency after in precision location. It falls the misses the accurate where the tumor is exact location is placed, and there is a need of hybrid model enhancing the accuracy, robust and efficiency of brain tumor segmentation. It enhances the big pictures of the brain tumor and enhancing this tumor segmentations. The code is set by our friend Abhishek.
Again, the program starts here. Input MRI dataset branch 2015-2019. Here we use the MRI dataset branch 2015-2019 versions of dataset, which is a popular brain tumor dataset. Here a stage 1 data is loaded. We load the 4 modality MRI scans, that is T1, T1C, T2, FLAIR. These are the 4 types of different regions of the brain tumor tissue of different patients. Stage 2 pre-processing. Here the data is prepared for the model performance. Normalize to 0 unit standard deviation means normalize the MRI intensity. Apply random augmentation like flip, mirror and series. This is the augmentation means which is a technique to increase the size of the image for better learning process like flipping, mirroring and scaling. Prompt to fix like 135 cross 224 cross 224. It is a fixed size. It is done because reduce the memory usage and improve the data. Stage 3 model pre-processing. Encode via CNN platform means feature extraction is done by using the CNN. Convert the features to program sequences. This is needed for the transformer architecture. So we convert the features to the small token sequences. Apply transformer. Transformer learns both the local and global tumor patterns. Inter and intra-scale resolution means the accuracy is maintained throughout the picture. Decode with skip connections. We skip the connections because the memory is reduced and the partial data is known as define output using fuzzy method. Remove the noise and improve the image accuracy. Stage 4 evaluation can be calculate the dice score for WT, whole tumor, TC means tumor code, ET means enhanced tumor regions, and display the segmentation results. Here end means end the approach. Next will be continued by Adivas.
Result in phase 1 we have achieved a good excellent output score in dataset of 2015 and 2019. In our output performance is used unit, TransNet, unit is used for image segmentation, TransNet was used for the medical image segmentation. Model sharper tumor boundaries and better segmentation of small structure. Show faster convergence and user parameters that many transform based on the network. Will you continue?
Conclusion: the hybrid transformer effectively merges the transformer segmentation with convolutional operations. Transformer unit means it is a model, special model that converts the transformers and convolutional networks, captures the global semantics, local point details simultaneously. Redefine model and purchase selector significantly boost segmentation accuracy. framework provides a strong direction for features LLM-based medical diagnostic systems. These are the references we use.